Let's do a quick review on 7 fragrances for life. The first one will be Mansera Kumquat Wood, a very good vetiver, sparkling vetiver kind of fragrances. It has woods, it has that boozy effect. Yes, it has that boozy effect plus vetiver, and best suited for all the atmosphere, specifically winters. The next one will be the world famous Nuit de Lo. Now, of course, everyone in this universe is aware about what this fragrance is, and it is the best cardamom fragrance in the entire world right now. I'm getting a bit hyper, I need to control myself. So this is the best cardamom fragrance available in the market right now. People are saying this is not worth it after this got reformulated. Doesn't matter, just make sure you do like 10 to 15 sprays and it'll be good to go. The next one will be Hereby by Parfums Dimali, and yes, this is something that I can keep for my entire life. Not saying that I can make this as my signature scent, but it's worth it. If you are craving for a tobacco fragrance, then this is something that is strong, potent, and people friendly. The next one will be Dior Parfum, and this is my latest addiction, you can say. I use this fragrance daily nowadays, and you know, it's weird because I have never used any fragrance like I'm using this one right now. So yes, this is definitely gonna be a fragrance that I'll be using for my entire life, of course. The next one is by the house of Rasasi, and this is a fingerprint magnet. This is Asura Indonesia. This is basically a fresh oud fragrance, and that is the reason it is safe for wear. This is safe for office, this is safe for party, this is safe even when you are at home and just, you know, chilling out. So Asura Indonesia, the best oud fragrance, you can say. The next one is Dolce Gabbana, the one EDP, and yes, I've considered this in this list because I love it. This is again a very good and potent tobacco scent, and the best for party wears, office wear, sophisticated 24/7. And the last one is my personal favorite, and I will be getting a backup bottle of this fragrance soon. This is Sultan Vetiver by Nishane. Said to be a vetiver heavy fragrance, but you can use it anytime, anywhere, in summers, winters, anytime. And since it is a vetiver fragrance, it is most probably not gonna offend anyone. So these are the fragrances that I am gonna keep for my entire life. Let's see what are your favorites from this list. We'll see in the next episode, guys. Take care and have a great day.